Toyota is conducting 2 separate recalls in North America, involving over 22,000 vehicles from the 2015 to 2018 model. The first one involves 11,800 units of the 2018 Camry, which have to be taken back to the dealers because of a potential assembly error. According to the car manufacturer, the fuel pipes and hoses might not have been properly connected under the hood. In extreme scenarios, the fuel could leak and, in the presence of an ignition source, lead to a fire. Owners of the affected Camrys will be notified by Toyota by late next month, via first-class mail, advising them to schedule an appointment with an authorized dealer. Subsequently, technicians will inspect the fuel pipes and hoses, and properly connect them, if necessary, free of charge. The second recall includes some 9,900 examples of the 2015 to 2018 Lexus RCF, 2016 to 2018 GSF, and 500 units of the 2018 LC. These are equipped with 2 high-pressure fuel pumps and, over time, their covers could be damaged, possibly leading to a fuel leak, thus increasing the risk of fire. Toyota will start notifying owners whose vehicles are included in this safety campaign in early April, and dealers will replace both high-pressure fuel pumps with improved ones, at no cost. Concerned customers can check the VIN of their cars online by using the brand's tool here.